Good afternoon, all.
Afternoon, sir. Sir,
Good
you were to
afternoon,
call
sir.
me now. You didn't call me.
Yeah, man, the long weekend, I kind of just lick out everything out of my headspace. But I know I need to talk to you still, though. Um, I know I need to talk to you, but just trying to, I'm in this session here, but I'm not able to claim host. I'm not seeing the key. Or else I could have a chat with you I could have a chat with you in the, in a breakout room, but I'm not able to connect. I'm trying to find it. Anyhow, in the meantime, it's now 9 minutes past. Um, in the meantime, I so all time people say trouble not set like really now and them not understand that statement there. So where was I now? Where was I? I was trying to find my Zoom credentials. All right. I'm not able to find it. All right. Did you guys were you able to go through and sort of overcome the factorization issues that you had?
Yes, sir. So I'm not sure what anyone else. What I'm kind of get understand a little bit more.
Very nice. I'm happy. What about the rest of you though?
Good evening, sir. I just joined.
What's up? How are
Sir,
you?
kind of.
What do you mean kind of? What kind of mean? Let me see if he will answer me this evening. Good afternoon, Dana Tapo.
Good evening, sir.
Hey, Christoph, what's up? Dana?
I'm here.
Yeah, but
Good
from
evening,
last
sir.
week, from last week Thursday, me I call you Dana.
Sorry, sir. I've been here. It's just that I work during class. So sometimes I can answer and sometimes I can't.
Yeah, but when you hear teacher call you Dana, just if you can't answer, just put on something in the chat and say, sir, I'm here, but I can't. I understand the shapes, you know. I understand. I know you guys, some of you are struggling and juggling. But if you hear me, I call you and you can't answer, just send me a little something because even if I don't see it, somebody in the class going to say, sir, she can't talk now. I mean, can't understand that, but it's not nice for me. I call, I mean, and nobody responding to me.
Sorry, sir. Next time that happens, I will type in the chat. But right now, I can talk.
Please and thanks. All right. And it goes for anybody else here because I'm sure if if you were to say, Mr. Sean, Amina answering, you might go say, boy, we want a different teacher you know, because we are called a teacher and a teacher you're not paying no mind. So we have to make sure say we reciprocate the love, eh? All right. I'm gonna ask the question one more time because I am ready to move on this day. I am going to be in trouble. This is now the end of we call it October. Pretty much. I have 1 month left and I have a few areas to go. So I have to move on tonight. How are we with the factorization?
Not good for me yet, sir, but I forgot to catch up.
Okay.
Good, sir.
All right, Christoph, thank you very much for that. Priscilla, how you stay with it?
Yeah, man, just need a little bit more practicing.
Okay. Okay, I'm happy for that, for those comments. Yeah, so in as much as how I really want to spend some extra time with you on this, and that's the honest truth, I really, really, really want to spend some extra time with you on this. I also recognize that I have to be a realist and recognize that if I don't move, I'm going to be left behind. And I don't want that of you, because if you don't pass the course, you can't move on to business calculus and business statistics. So you have to get it. All right. I really hope this new topic is okay for you. It's not a bad one. Oh Lord. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy teaching it. But I guess it's not about me. It's all about you. And let us see where you all are now. Guys, important that you study. I can't overemphasize the importance of you all studying. Can't overemphasize the importance of you all studying.
Sir,
Yes, please.
yeah, my computer gone down for me, that's why. It's like the ribbon gone, so when I open it, the screen just go blank. So I have a little challenge.
Why, some I feel your pain, because at the start of the summer semester, it's the grace of God carry me through to the summer. I'm not gonna lie to you, the grace of God, because my computer went down just before the first week of the summer program. My computer went down. The first week of the summer program, my computer went down. And it's the grace of God. I bought a device and I accidentally locked myself out of the device. And I had to send the device back to the States. Unfortunately, I know somebody who was coming down and carried it back. So within 2 weeks, I got it back. And that's what saved me. So I understand, Papa, lost every single thing on the stuff. Right? So it is one of those.
Sir,
Yes, please.
I use my computer for music too, so all of the music them there on it.
Jesus, hush, hush. And you know what is so funny about it, brother? The Spirit of the Lord said to me, when last have you backed up your files? I have an external drive that I back up my files on periodically. And then I said to myself, but it's a new computer. Why would I need to back it up? And I left the conversation right there. So when the computer went down on me, to this day I don't cuss, because I heard a voice that says, back up your something. And I didn't. So this new device that I'm using now is like an everyday situation that I back up, because, well, I can send to my drive so easily here. All right. Yeah, it's just one of those things. So I'm going to say to you, students, as as you are in school, let me just give you a little bit of preparation. When I was completing my first degree, it was in my final year at the university was when the university got computers for the department. And if any one of you tell me that I'm old, I will drop you from the class. All right? In my final year was when we got computers and we started doing computer work. So my thesis was being typed on the manual typewriter, right? Think about it. On the manual typewriter is when I was typing my thesis. And type up the stuff and then when the computer came out now, I started doing it on some things were called floppy disk. Now I have to open the middle of the book and put this floppy disk inside of the something because if it bend, say the information gone. Emails, we never had emails at them times. You understand? And I'm going to tell you, when I went to print my thesis when it was due, the floppy disk was, let me say, overwrite, and I lost the information from it. Now, think about having in excess of 50 pages worth of information. And I went to my lecturer on campus and I said, sir, I said, prof, no, doc. I said, doc, he's no professor. I said, doc, this is my situation. And what they were doing, they were marking the thesis as it go along. So they know that I was doing the work. And the university penalized me. I thought it was very harsh of them because the department knew that I was doing the work. They saw me doing the work. I had my rough work. You type and you have the rough work something with the mark and everything. It's just not for you to put the final document in with the corrections. I showed them all of that and said, guys, this is what I have. But nonetheless, they penalize me. They penalize me. And let me tell you how they penalize you. So if you are supposed to get an A, it dropped to a B plus. If you're supposed to get a B plus, it dropped to a B. All right? And I won't even tell you what grade they gave me. And every time I think about it, I want to come my eye. So I'm just saying this to say to you. It's like when you go with the foolishness and teacher have little grace for you. If you go to the other institutions, there is zero grace. All right? Zero grace. But anyhow, just to let you know, back up your stuff. You're now in an era, don't even walk up and down with a thumb drive around the neck or in a pocket because them can last. Create a drive. And
Hello,
when you
Mr.
do,
Shand.
uh-huh.
I'm sorry. What happened to the other link? I was literally on the link and it's saying waiting on those to join.
I
Until
don't
I
know.
click on a link that was sent in the WhatsApp group, I realized the class been start and it's a different link. But on then WhatsApp.
I don't know. I just went on the timetable to find and just use the link. I don't know. So I'm saying to you students, when you do your schoolwork, please do not just save it on a thumb drive. Email it to yourself. Anywhere you go and you can get Wi-Fi, you can access the information. Don't do that because you will lose the information and this can be an A from a B plus. All right? Word of advice. All right, so let me now move into that's my little motivational talk with you. Oh crap, this is how it came out? No, this can't be it. That really can't be it. Oh, yep, that is it. All right, so I'm moving into binomials. I'm moving into binomials. Moving into binomials. And moving into binomials. All right, I'm gonna do this differently from how I normally do it. So when you go into my channel and you read the stuff, you'll see the difference. But watch me. Anything raised to the power 0 is?
1.
1.
1. Good job.
1.
So A plus B to the 0 is going to be equals to 1. I'm writing the 1 over there. All agreed?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
What do you think A plus B to the first power is going to be?
Sorry, AB.
A plus B.
A plus B, not AB, but A plus B, because you know that anything raised to the first power is itself. Agreed?
Yes.
So this is going to be equals to A plus B. Very good. What is the coefficient of A?
1. 1.
Good. What's the coefficient of B?
1. May I ask
1.
Good. Good. All right. Remember, guys, if your surrounding is noisy, I don't have the host key. I'm not seeing it. So I can't mute you automatically. So please, if you're around noise, be very mindful and keep your microphone closed until you're going to be speaking to me, please. All right. So everybody sees how I get this 1 and then this 1, 1.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good job. So anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So I just
Wait,
put
sir.
1 there.
Wait, hold on. No, I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
Anything raised to the power 0 is? Brickley? Anything raised to the power 0 is?
1. Okay.
Is 1.
You
Is
said
1.
4.
Good. Is 1. So anything raised to the power 0 is going to be 1. Agreed?
Right.
Good. And anything raised to the first power is itself. Agreed?
Right.
Good. So A plus B to the first power is going to simply be A plus B, which is this.
Question,
Agreed?
sir.
Uh-huh.
Right. Are we you're gonna give us like a, in words?
No.
Right. Good.
No.
Okay.
You know this. You've done unit 1.
No,
This is now
sir.
unit 2. You know this.
Sir,
In
both of you,
Jesus'
so you
name. In Jesus' name, Brickley, Brian, you know this. In Jesus' name, Aaron, Adrika, and Marie, Diana, Brittany, you what? Fabian, Jada, the whole of you know this. We've done this. Indices, it's called. Sure. All right, come, let's go. All right, let's go. So, anything raised to the power, I'm developing something. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So that's how now this here, I equate to that 1 there. Anything raised to the first power, A plus B to the first power, is going to be itself A plus B. And then the coefficient of A is 1, and the coefficient of B is 1. That's why I get this 1 and that 1. Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. 2 of you responded. Thank you very much. Now, this one may be a
Yes,
little
sir.
bit, right, thank you. This one may be a little bit, just a little ouncy, toops, different for you. But why factorization was important?
So your tools and our tools are different type of tools.
All right. You know, I'm tired of this pen now. Jesus. A plus B to the second power. Can you work out
A
what
squared plus B squared.
Yes, sir.
you think is just A squared plus B squared?
Yes, sir. Or
And I would say to you that's incomplete.
or is it A plus B times itself?
Okay, go ahead and do that multiplication for me, please, and tell me what you get.
It's A squared, B squared.
2A
2A,
plus 2B
2A.
Plus 2B.
All right, so let me work it with you. So you're saying it's going to be A plus B times itself. A plus B. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us do the distribution now. What is A times A?
A
B
squared
squared.
Thank you, Tracy. A squared, good. And what is A times B?
AB
AB.
AB squared.
No,
AB.
AB.
That's AB.
Just AB. Watch me.
Also, we factorize them.
Expand, not factorize, but expand. Expansion is the opposite of factorization, and factorization is the opposite of expansion. So I'm expanding. So this A, watch me. This A times this A, the same A times this B. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to say B times A, and that same B times this B. All right. So what is A times A? A squared. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what is A times this B now?
AB.
Good job. What is B times A?
BA. BA.
And what is B times B?
B squared.
B squared
Tell me, is AB and BA the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Good. So AB plus BA equals?
2AB.
Good job. And the B squared stands alone, so I write it back. And the A squared stands alone, I write it back. Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the coefficient of A squared?
1.
Good job. What's the coefficient of AB?
2.
What is the coefficient of B squared?
1.
1. Well, um, yeah.
You see that? Talk to me. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All
Yes,
right,
sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
So you see, I'm developing something here that kind of look, woo, I don't even know how that look, but we're gonna try one more. We're gonna try. Oh, what is that right on my screen? We're gonna charge $100, right? We're gonna try one more. A plus B cube. I don't want nobody to say, Lord Jesus, sir, we can't do that. No. A plus B cube is the same thing as A plus B times A plus B all squared. Talk truth.
Sir.
Yes? No? Maybe so?
Sir, so I never write A plus B one more time.
No, man. Because it's true, me already evaluate A plus B all squares. Me just write that now, so me can say this is A plus B times, remember we just did A plus B all squares, and we get A squared plus 2AB plus
Oh,
B squared. Talk truth.
yes, sir.
Yeah, man. You see me smart? Don't be smart.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So we're just trying to do the calculation in a nice little way. So it hold on a minute, please. Yeah, so we're just trying to do the calculation in a nice little way so that it makes life a little easier for us. All right, just a little easier. It may not be fully easy, but at least it's a little bit easier, just a toops easier. All right, my question to you now is, we're going to do this distribution together, and let us see how well we can get our answers. Let me show you what it is that we're doing. Let me show you what we're doing.
3 times A squared.
This A times, sorry, not that. Oopsie daisy, not that. This
A.
A, right, that A times this, then again times that, then again times that. And
Yes,
then we're going to use this B times the same A times that, and then times that. You
yes,
follow what
sir.
I'm saying? Good.
Yes.
So what I want you to do for me, to get your practice on this, is to go ahead and do the multiplication for me, please and thanks, because I want you all to come up with your own answers. So let me know exactly what is happening. So all of you put pen to paper and go through with the multiplication for me, please and thanks. 1 minute. Tell me, are you finished?
Sir, can I try?
All right, hold on 1 second, please. All right, so I love the idea, and I love you wanting to try. Go ahead and tell me what to get.
So it's a cube
Mm-hmm.
plus 2a squared b
Mm-hmm.
plus ab
Plus what? Plus what?
Sir, plus AB square.
ab squared.
Plus AB squared.
Yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Plus BA square.
Plus BA squared.
Plus 2AB square.
Plus 2A
B square.
B
Plus
squared.
B cube.
Sir, I put I have what she's just said, but for the AB, I had cubed. Should I wrong?
Yeah, have it as
B cube. So that
the
wrong.
A squared.
Why? I mean, something totally different too.
Yeah, cut the A. I have
No,
everything. So
yeah,
what you
but
saying? What you saying,
no, but
sir?
I'm just asking. You see why what I have on the board is correct now?
Yes, I'm looking at
There are
it.
just the front part alone to get the AQ.
All
I
right.
get the
So
A cube.
A times A squared is A cube.
Yeah,
A times 2AB is going to be 2A squared B.
that's where I went wrong.
Right. And then now A times B squared is going to be AB squared. You follow?
Yes, sir, following.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And B times A squared is
BA squared.
B A squared. And I can write that as A squared B.
A
A
squared
squared
B.
B done. It's the same thing, right?
Okay.
Good. And then now B times 2AB is going to be 2AB squared on.
Yes, sir.
And B times B squared is B cube.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Yes, sir,
So,
I understand that.
Sir.
so now I'm adding together, I'm going to get A cube plus, remember this is a 1A squared, you know. So that's going to become 3A squared B plus, remember that this is a 1 also, 3AB squared plus B cube. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
No,
All right.
sir.
No, man, we're adding like terms. We're adding like terms. We're adding like terms. A
Yes,
2A
you
squared
get
B.
wait, but tell you what I see. I must see the a square plus 3a square b plus
Mm-hmm.
where you get the wanna go? Yeah. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 plus 2 is 3. And I care about this because it's just that alone. Follow me? Talk to me now.
Yes, sir.
Follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So tell me now. What is the coefficient of a squared? A cube.
1.
What is the coefficient of a? Very good. What's the coefficient of b cube?
1.
1. Very good. So tell me the coefficients in all now. I'm gonna have 1, 3, 3, and a 1, don't?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, good. 1 as 3 as 3 and a 1. You know what? Let me just rewrite this because it's dangerously close to the
Mm-hmm.
to the stuff, and I want you to see what is happening here. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna write the 1, then the 1 and the 1, then the 1 and the 2 and the 1, and then the 1, the 3 and the 1. I want you to guess for me what the fourth coefficient is going to be like. Guess what the fourth coefficient is going to be. I want you to look at the pattern. Look at the pattern. I'm not gonna ask you to do the calculator for me of a plus b to the fourth power. We're going to multiply a plus b squares times a plus b squares. No, we're not going to do that because big school we don't know. I want you to do the pattern for me. I have 1, I have a 1, 1, I have a 1, 2, and a 1. Then I have a 1, a 3, and a 1. I want you to guess for me what the next line here is going to
Sir,
be.
1441.
Is it 3
1.
fours? So
4, 4, 4, 1.
4, then
Okay.
1.
So I would agree with you that it starts with a 1 and end with a 1 because you see the pattern that all of them start with 1 and end with 1, don't?
Yes.
Yeah, man, I agree with that.
Yes, sir.
So tell me now, what's the second number?
4.
Okay. What's the third number?
6.
3.
Hmm?
6.
Who said that? Who said that a while ago? Talk to me
Who
now,
said
man. Who
what,
said that a
sir?
while ago? All right, hold on a
Fabian.
minute.
6.
Hold on a minute, please. Hold on.
So you're not right to him, sir.
All right, guys. I hope you recognize that I was dropped from the class. I apologize for that. You hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, no problem. I'm gonna
All
take it
right.
back.
So, so let me see if I can find back my whiteboard. Um, okay. So I was asking a question before I got dropped. Somebody said something after the 4. Anybody had a suggestion? Somebody, who was it?
6. Fabian.
Fabian. So Fabian, he said 6. All right.
Yes.
What comes next door?
4.
Okay. Everybody agrees with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why 6, sir?
Why 6? All right, we'll soon talk about that. But I want you to help me out here. I want you to help me out here. I want you to help me out in a way that um help me to write another row. Go
1.
ahead. 1,
5.
5,
10.
10.
10.
10.
10.
Uh-huh.
1. 4. 5. 5. 5. Sorry.
Uh-huh. And
1.
1. All right. So the person that asks how we get 6, can you see how we got the 6 now?
Sir, I was trying to find
Sir,
out
I
how
don't
to
see
get
how
the
you get
6
the
off.
6 either.
Okay. So
Yeah, add the numbers together.
okay.
Sir,
Thank you
McKenna
again.
Can the number be more specific,
All right, watch
please?
this. Watch this now. So we know we start off with this one. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And you
sir.
know where we start, because remember we're talking about binomials, you know. Binomials, these are binomials because we have 2 terms in there. Is it that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So those are binomials. Bi means 2. So bi means 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're not talking about the numbers I'm up here saying, you know. We're talking about the numbers that are the terms that are contained in the parentheses. All right? Then watch me now. We know that anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So we know up here says 1. And we know anything raised to the first power is itself. So a plus b to the first power is going to be a plus b. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
And the coefficient is a plus b is 1, 1. And then I can say this is 1 because they all start with 1. Can you recognize and end with 1?
Yes, sir.
All right. So that's the first thing that I want you to recognize. So can you also recognize that it's a triangle?
Yes, sir.
And that is called Pascal's. So that's Pascal's triangle. So they're all ones here and all ones there. I will also say to you that in order for me to get this 2, I add this number and that number. In order for me to get this 3, 1 plus that. In order for me to get this 3, I
Yes,
add this.
sir. I see it.
And in
Okay,
order
I
for me to
just
get
see.
6, good.
Yeah.
In order for me to get 4, boom. In order for me to get 10, boom, boom. In order for me to get that, boom, boom. 4, 1 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 4, 5, 1 plus
Sir,
4.
can make them the stay, please? Let me just boom boom too.
No, you got boom, boom on your own. Watch
Sir.
me now. Watch me now. Watch me. Watch me carefully. Let me tell you a little secret before you make your own notes. These are called palindromes. 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 What are palindromes? Level. Don't you spell level this way?
Level, yeah.
It says the
Don't you
same
spell?
backwards and
Don't you spell?
forward.
Don't you spell level backwards? Oh, that I write on my
Mhm.
screen. Me say, me go charge you no $100, you know. Me go charge you no
Sir, I'm me,
$100.
but I don't understand how to do it.
Me say, me go charge you $100. What's like
Yeah,
why
I'm on the
you?
screen and I see it right.
Sure. All right, never mind. So watch this now. Watch this now. So level, Level, spelled forward is level, spelled backward is also a level. Don't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let me give you one more.
Race car.
Race car is another one. RACECAR. RACECAR. And your homework is that you can find two more words that is going one way, spell something, and coming by the other way, spell the same thing. That's your homework. So these numbers are palindromes. Read this way is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Read this way is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Going one way is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Going the other way is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Going one way is 1, 3, 3, 1. Going the other way is 1, 3, 3, 1. Right? So these are things that you must know. Right? So you must know to watch me here. You see the power here is 2. That means the second number starts with 2. The power here is 3. The second number starts with 3. So I can tell you that I'm in the third coefficient just by just the mere fact that I am in the third position here. The fourth coefficient is going to be here. The fifth coefficient is going to be here. So if I ask you, so let me use Pascal's here to show you how we get a plus b to the fourth. Let me use Pascal's to show you how I get a plus b to the fourth. We're not going to sit down and multiply nothing like we don't have no sense. You're crazy. We're going to say 1 a to the fourth plus 4. See that the second number is 4. 4 a to the third b plus 6 a to the second b squared plus 4 a to the first, come on, a to the first b cubed plus 1 a to the 0 b to the fourth. Anybody see the significance and the relevance of what I just did a while ago, or you not see it?
Sir, I don't see that
Honestly,
last
sir.
part.
Sorry, that me totally.
All right, watch me. Can you see the 1, 4, 6,
Sir,
4,
you use the
1?
coefficients.
I use the coefficients. So look at what is happening here now. You notice that start off with a to the fourth, the first, the large one. You see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And then now this one has to reduce. So since I got a to the fourth, it now has to be a to the third, don't?
Oh, yes, sir.
And the other value inside here, so I have to pick up the b, I have to pick up the slacks now. So this is going to be b to the first. This one is going to be reduced by 1, a squared. This one going to be increased by 1, b squared. A squared is going to be reduced by 1 to give me a. And b squared is going to be increased by 1 to give me b cubed. And then this one is going to be reduced by 1 to give me a to the naught. But this b cubed is going to be increased by 1 to give me b to the fourth. A to the naught is what?
1.
1. And 1 times b to the fourth is b to the fourth. So this is our little thing about. Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
All right. I am so watch me. So remember, I am able to write down the coefficients here. I'm able to write down the coefficients because I'm seeing the trend. I'm seeing the trend. When one descends, the other one ascends. When one descends, the other one ascends. Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
All right. You know what I want you to do for me? I'm going to give you 2 pieces of exercise. I'm actually in commute, but I'm going to give you 2 exercises. I want you to find for me. I want you to find for me a plus b to the fifth. Not to, I want you to write down for me a plus b to the 5th power. I want you to write down for me a plus b to the 5th power. Are you following my instructions?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
All
sir.
sir.
right. Go ahead and write down a plus b to the 5th power for me, please. I don't want you to calculate it. I do not want you to calculate it. I want you to write
Sir,
it down.
Sir,
Yes, please.
yeah,
sir,
you're breaking up. We cannot hear.
All right, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me move from where I'm at. No, but it should be. All right, hold on. Let me see. Tell me if are you hearing me better now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I was in a at a bad spot. So what I'm saying to you is that I want you now to write down the coefficients for me. I want to write down the expansion for me with a plus b raised to the fifth power. A plus b raised to the fifth power. Write it down for me. I don't want you to calculate it. I want you to write it down, and then I will tell you if you're correct or if you're incorrect. A plus B, matter of fact, no, me not gonna tell you. Your classmates will tell you that no, you're right. A plus B to the fifth power. On your mark, gets it, go. The first person to finish, just unmute and let me know what you have, please.
Sir,
Yeah, man. Got it?
I think I tried.
You think you have it? All right, hold
Yes,
on.
no?
The rest of you have it, so you can when she reads it, you can tell her if she's right or wrong.
Almost, sir, almost.
All right, then just
Yes,
give them
sir.
just give them 2 more minutes so that they can finish it off. So that when you tell them the answer, they can tell you that you are right. All right, 2 more minutes, quickly, guys, quickly, because I have another one for you. I'm gonna give you. Matter of fact, if you're finished with a plus b to the fifth power, I want you to write down the expansion of a plus b to the sixth power. Those of you who are finished, do to the sixth power for me. I'm gonna understand. Oh, your 2 minutes takes so long, man.
Sir,
All right.
like
Only
go away.
like
We
five.
not sir like the go.
Oh, oh crap. Is everybody back now? Oh no. Gosh. See if light went, the internet would have gone.
Yes, sir. Is my work data may I use?
Trust me, guys. I'm gonna ask you to be safe. I'm speaking to you, but I'm also speaking to myself. Make sure that every device you have, your cell phone, your power bank, are fully charged. If you need to have an extra cylinder of gas, go and get it. I need to go and get one tomorrow. You need to go and get it because a hurricane, a tropical depression has entered the Caribbean waters, and we are expecting to feel hurricane-like or tropical storm-like.
I saw it.
Right. So please, right, it was sent to all students as well. Please be careful, students. I beg of you, be careful, be careful, be careful. All your documents, important documents, don't have them lying around carelessly. Get Ziploc bags. And you notice I said bags, we're going to put it in one, and then we're going to put it in another bag. In the event that you get flooded, at least your important documents don't get damaged. Because trust me, for you to get them back is one long rigmarole. All right, please just make sure that you're safe. Very important. And as a matter of fact, we know the money tough and tight, but if you can go buy a tin or something, or a tin of something, or a tin of something else, and a tin of something else, at least you know, should in case something goes and the meeting at the fridge spoil, at least you don't die of hunger. All right?
Sir, why Storm ever come before payday?
No man, this is our time, within our region from September coming to November is our hurricane season. So we just have to, and it has been a very good season for us so far. I thought it would have been more active. So just make sure that you are safe. And hear me out. Finally, before I go to the question, if we say water, no think so because you drive one high up vehicle, you're gonna drive through the water here. Come in, want here, so not to none of my students there. Park and wait until the water run off before you drive. No go through no gully or no fording and think you're no Superman or no Superwoman. Please don't do it. All right? I beg of you. Okay. If rain fall and the place flooded, please do not walk in the water because I don't know if there's any live wire that is down. All right, I was expecting this call. Give me a half a second, please.
Sir, look like him get a call. Him soon come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm here, guys. It's just that I asked somebody to pick up something for me, and they're at the place now. So give me a minute. They're calling me back now with a video call. I'll soon come back to you. Please. All right. Thank you. Thank you, students. All right. No. So, right. So I was just saying to you, just be careful and prepare yourself for the unexpected. All right. And if so, some of your first year students, let me just explain to you what normally happens. If there is a hurricane or a tropical storm, the CCCJ will push back the exams. I know exams are, and it depends on how many days too, right? So I know exams are going to run close like the last week before Christmas. So let us just pray and hope that there's nothing catastrophic. I know what they did because of some hurricane, maybe not last year, but the year before, or something of the sort. They had to condense the exams in 1 week because of the hurricane. So what they did, they put 3 exams on a given day. So you had an exam starting at 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, and then you had another exam starting from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, and then you had another set of exams from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. And we had to do that because of the hurricane. All right. So the CCCJ makes provision for the first semester if things happen like that. So if we lose 1 week, you're going to get another revised timetable. But that's just information that you need to know. Those who are in second year would be aware of something like this. All right, good. So now that I've said that, so I've asked you to evaluate for me. Not to evaluate, sorry, not to evaluate. I asked you to write down for me the expansion of a plus b to the 5th power.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right. What did you get?
1 a raised to the 5th power plus 6 a raised to the 4th power b.
No, man, hold on. Is it what are you writing? To a plus b to the 5th power?
A
like 5?
plus b to the 5th power.
Okay, so go again now and say something.
1
It's 1
a to the 5th power.
That's correct. Is that correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's the second term?
Plus 6 a raised to the 4th power b.
Is that correct,
No.
class?
No, sir.
No.
5a raised to the 4th power b.
It's supposed to be
5A,
5a raised to the 4th power
The
b.
fourth. Yes.
All
Sir,
right.
can you write it
It's
meantime?
5.
No, I'm not writing meantime. I soon write it, man. I just want to hear it first. Then what's the next one?
Oh, no, I get 5.
Sir,
15, sir?
10
No.
a cube
my
b squared.
Is it
It's supposed to be
8a
what?
cube?
10a
10a
cube
cubed b
cube
squared.
b.
Then?
And
10A square B
10a
square B
b
square
cube.
10 what? The other 10?
10a 10a squared b cubed.
And then the other one is?
5ab 5a b raised to the 4th.
And then the last term is?
B raised to the 5.
Very good. Very good. So you will see that the coefficient is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Can you see that the coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1?
Yes, sir.
It's going to be important. Now, hear me out, students. I am teaching this in a different way than how any other lecturer would have taught it. I want you to get into the habit of when one decreases, the other one increases. Can you see that from the calculation you just did a while ago?
Yes, sir.
Good. So a to the 5th power plus 1, 5, 5a to the 4th, because that one is decreasing, but b is now going to be increasing. So it's 5a to the 4th b plus 10a cubed b squared plus 10a squared b cubed plus 10a b to the 4th plus, 5ab to the 4th plus 1b to the 5th, right? So you must recognize now that as one decreases, the other one increases. As one decreases, the other one increases. And it really isn't bad. Just
Yes,
remember,
sir.
as I'm going to write it. But just remember, as one decreases, the other one increases. As one
Sir, you know
decreases,
what?
go ahead.
I add up the Pascal triangle. I add it again. Me never know say you add it already, sir.
Oh.
That's why I get 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1.
That is for the 6th power.
That me do, sir.
Question. So if you give me a question and I write b to the first power, would I still get the mark? Because I
B to
realized
the
if I
1st
keep
power?
right, so when it starts to increase, so I just put b. Also, I just after going through, I realized I did some. So I had to the a to the 0, and then like b to the 5th. Would I be marked down because I
No.
just wanted to keep that track?
No. Watch my man. See, at the same time, right here, so you see it?
Okay.
Yeah, man. You won't get marked, man. You're good. So 1a to the 5th plus 5a to the 4th b plus 10a cubed b squared plus 10a squared b cubed plus 5a to the 1st b to the 4th plus 1a to the 0 b to the 5. And I write that because I want to appease you, Britley. Yeah, man. You get the same something, man. You're good, man. You're good.
Sir,
Yes,
if me
please.
never add up the thing again to the 6th power, me to get that, sir.
You don't get that. Right.
Sir.
Go ahead. Somebody's calling me. Go ahead.
Yes, I'm not understanding the powers.
What you're not understanding about the powers? Can somebody explain to her what is happening with the powers, please? I'm listening.
So each sir, what you call A plus B? Each expression or each of these
Each term.
Each term, when you start it, the A go up. So the A
to the highest power.
and the
It
B
goes
go
to the
down.
highest. No, hold on. So the A goes to the highest power. So you have A plus B to the 5th power. That means A is going to be raised to the highest power, A to the 5th. And then take it over now.
Yes, so each time you write it, the A is going up and the B is going down, right, sir?
Correct? No, the A is going
the
down.
A is going down and
the B is going up, right? So it has to decrease first before it increases.
And it always starts with whatever the expression, the term is raised to. So you see the term raised to A plus B raised to the 5th power, you always start the A with that.
With the 5. Very good. Are you seeing that now?
All right, sir. I got that part. And for the B,
for the third equation, the B starts at
0.
oh, okay. So
So if you
5.
look at it, you see, let us look at the one with the 3. Let us look at the one with the 3. You will see it go A cube, then A second, then A to the first, then A to the 0. And then B is going to be B to the 0, B to the first, then B to the second, then B to the third, then yeah. And then you get, if you look at the first one, look at it, because you have it on screen. Look at it. The first one, you're going to have A to the fourth, then the next term going to be A to the third, then A to the second, then A to the first, then A to the 0. In the first
Okay, I
part, you're
see
going to have
now.
B to the 0, then B to the first, then B to the second, then B to the fourth. You follow that?
Wait, so you lost me at B to the 0.
B to the
Because
0 is the first term, but I didn't write it.
okay.
Right? And let us look at the fifth one. The fifth one is A to the fifth power, and it's B to the 0. Then it's A to the fourth, B to the first. A to the third, B to the second. A to the second, B to the third. A to the first, B to the fourth. A to the 0, B to the fifth. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. I see it now.
All right.
Thank you.
Very good.
Seem crazy.
No problem.
Pascal's triangle remain as is all the time.
Me say, no, go nowhere.
So, sir,
If
if
you can't study, yeah.
if you should say A plus B raised to the 6th power, do I
That
add?
you're gonna do for me now. No, me not tell you. Don't cut my story short. You're rude.
Sir,
Right.
but
With
me
A
did
plus B
say
to
it
the 6 on
already.
it,
Say
please.
it right, sir. Me
No,
did
but
say it.
and that's why me know. You know when you say it, me say to myself, sure man. So you not say nothing more. Make them write down now for me, and I don't want you to calculate it, guys. I want to. You see, a big school they don't, So you are going to write down now the expansion of A plus B to the 6th power, because guess what? Where I stopped a while ago was 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So the first thing that you need to go and do now is to expand Pascal's triangle to the 6th coefficient, and then write down the expansion for me, and then I'm going to do one other exercise. No, let me do that exercise first. Before I give you the A plus B to the 6th. Let me give you that exercise. Let us go back up to the third coefficient. No, let us start from up top. Let us go to the second coefficient. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Tell me, what is the sum of powers for the first term, which is a cubed? What is the power? The sum of the power right there. You can tell me, man. Sure.
What you say a while ago?
We're looking at a
Sir,
squared
sir.
plus. No, man. Look. Hey, up me yeah, look, no, man. Sure.
What, sir? 3?
Very good. So let me say it again so that you can all hear me. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We're looking at that. We're looking at the powers now. So I'm showing you some stuff. What I showed you a while ago, I showed you two things. Thing number one is Pascals. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Right? And then you get into the other one, supposed to get something like 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. But I'm not going to tell you, because you're going to work it out and tell me. All right? And then, so that's the first thing, Pascals. The second thing that I showed you just now is that as one descends, sitting must go down first before the something come up after. So as one descends, the other one ascends. That's the second thing. But there's a third observation that I'm trying to get to you. There's a third observation I want you to see. And I'm starting with the a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We're going to look at the first term. What is the overall power in the first term?
2.
Lord Jesus.
You know
What?
the first.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. 2. 2. The overall power is 2. The second term is what?
2
Tell me the
A B.
second. 2ab, don't. 2ab, right?
Yeah.
Good. What is the overall powers in that 2AB?
2.
How you get 2?
A raised to the first power and B raised to the first power.
I'm going to buy a pack of pickles here.
Sir, me have this. Me get this.
Sir.
Uh-huh.
So why did that teacher never depend the class?
I don't know. I know
You
you're
could
like
have
learners.
you could have passed the work to me come. No, don't understand.
I know you're like, go away.
Yes, sir.
All right, no, but never mind. You can't catch up, man. You can't catch up.
All right.
All right, so watch me now. So you're very good. So you're the sum of powers in that one is also 2. What is the overall power in the last term?
2, sir.
2. All right. So you recognize now that we are looking at the A plus B to the second power. We're looking at A plus B to the second power.
Yes, sir.
And you recognize now that the sum of powers going to always be 2 because we're in A plus B to the second power, don't it?
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Make we check for see. Make we check for see if it work for the one with the cube. Because we don't know what we're talking about. So the one with the cube says A cube plus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared plus B cube. What's the sum of powers in them? In the first term, the sum of powers is what? What's the overall power in the first one?
Sir, which one is A cube?
The
Plus
cube one. The cube one. What is the overall power in the cube one?
3.
3?
Yes, sir. In the first something A cube or 3. Yes, sir.
What's the overall power in the second one?
3, sir.
Because there's a one where it says down.
The one beside the B.
What's the overall power here, sir?
Same 3.
3,
What's the
sir.
overall power?
3.
But so watch me now.
3.
You see that 3 or so? Is a good indicator that when we're doing the something, the overall power is supposed to add up to
Okay.
3. So this are 3, this are 3, this are 3, this are 3.
Yeah.
All of them add up to 3. Let us check
Get it, sir.
you. Say it again.
Sir, we see.
Get that, sir.
You see it?
Get it.
Nice. And watch this now. The overall power is 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. We say bright.
We say bright.
Yeah, man. I'm going to do the last one.
Right, sir. No.
5. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 0 plus 4. We say BRITE. Bright.
Sir, all right. So, sir, me get
Yes,
that.
please.
Me get the power part, sir. But all we get, I mean, somebody come and find you know. All we get the 10.
Mm-hmm.
We try. Oh, do. Like, all right. 1A to the 5th
Sit
power.
here.
I understand. Oh, sorry.
Very nice. Then I saw me like it. Say it again, Brit. Jody.
Sorry, something. Yeah, all them something. I never really understand why they do this. So.
You can't tell me that. Look how long me left that. You can't do that to me now. Look how long me left that. Come on, sure. 1, 1, 1. That 1, 2, 1 here. I add this and this together for get 2. I add this two together for get 3. I add them together for get 3. Oh, me get a 6
sir,
here.
No,
I add the 3.
Sir, not this in the high school.
You can't do this in the high school.
No, sir, I'm not doing it in the high school. But used to go on. We used to go on after school. We used to go on class with Grace Kennedy, and them they teach me something.
All right, you have one good teacher then. All right, let's go. Now that you know what to do, let's go. Let's go.
Sir,
Guys,
he know him, sir. He was a lecturer Excelsior, you know. Him dark skin. I don't remember, but him dark skin and in black, in black and him have black body. You know, and him teach maths.
So you expect me to know him?
Isaac, which year did you go down to Grace Kennedy?
2019 and 2020. I did high school, so I did 10th and 11th grade, so both them time there.
You don't know who you talk.
All right, sir.
So
All right, cool.
Grace
But
Let's go.
Kennedy has Grace Kennedy has a evening class. So whoever is on their program has to go to the classes for whatever subject that they're having issues with.
Oh, I know Mr. Taylor you talk.
Sir, to me, I remember him name, that's him face. I don't even pass him and heal him now by school. But I don't remember him name at all.
Oh, I mean, I know because Mr. Taylor not there at school again. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You see, if I catch the A plus B to the 6th power, it means that my life is going to be so much easier.
All right, sir,
For
me keep
when I'm.
watching that one.
Yeah, more. No, you cried it already.
Sir, me ask.
Sir.
All right. So it's A to the 6 plus 6 A to the 5th power, and I have B to the 1st power. So if I don't do it like that, I won't understand. Plus 5 is 15. Is 15 is supposed to be?
Me no know. You tell me.
Here. I have 15. I don't know if it's right. 15A
15
Yeah,
what?
to
that
the
right.
15A to the 4th power, B to the 2nd power, plus 20.
Mm-hmm.
So A to the 3rd power, B to the 3rd power, plus 15A to the 2nd power, B to the 4th power, plus 6 to the 6A. I have to the 1st power.
Yes.
B to the 5th power. So yes. And then I have A to the 0, and then B to the 6.
Mr. British show off, you see? Jesus. Me just love it.
Sir,
Me just love it.
I still don't understand last week classes, So here what? This
Miss,
week classes are
I
the
know.
ones going forward. We're
Yeah, I
making up
catch it.
for it. Right.
Yeah, man. But guess what? You see, me love the show off, Me not like to you, man. Me love the show off. So keep it up, man. Very nice. Now, I am aware that one or two of you don't have a clue where Britney just do a while ago. So
Third
what I'm
party,
gonna do?
you never make we do it. You never make we do it. Yeah,
No
you should
problem.
make.
No problem. No, man. No, that's fine. That's fine. That's why I'm gonna give you now 2 minutes to do it. 2 minutes to do it. And then we're gonna look at what Britney told me to write, and then we're gonna have a conversation if she make one mistake. And then this is where the tire meets the road. And I am going to drink water and mind my own business while you can work one question for me. All right, on the mark, get set, go. 2 minutes.
Sir, me do it already, but I have a question.
2 minutes to do
Go
2
ahead.
minutes for what, sir?
2 minutes. I want the rest of you, those who don't do the question A plus B to the 6, to take 2 minutes and do it for me, please. But go ahead with your question, though. What
Alright,
question
my
you have?
question, sir. Why is it that you have 1A for the fourth floor and the 5th power, but you don't have it for the 6th? Not that Britley is incorrect, but is it okay for you not to have the one right there to start it?
I
You
can't
don't.
write it. I can't start it there, yeah, man. It's the same difference.
Okay.
I can put 1A or I can just put A is the same thing.
Yes. Okay, that's what I
Yeah,
was.
man.
Mhm.
No problem, man. No problem.
Yes, sir. Good night.
Good night to you.
Yes, sir. For the figures, sir, I understand the powers. Well, just sketching on. However, for the numbers, I'm not getting the numbers.
What numbers are you talking about?
The 6, the 15, the 20, the 15, the 6.
Can you finish this triangle for me, please? Can you extend that triangle? So they might ask me to extend it, but me not extend it. Henry, can you go ahead and extend that triangle for me, please? I gave you one
Sir,
three
I
three one
was
1 4 6 4 1 1 5 10 10 5 1. Extend that triangle. And now tell me say just join class, So I'm gonna vex you if you just tell me that. The class start
sir,
from
yes,
you
sir,
just
but I was late today.
You have to do it. I did it already.
brother man, sure. You can't come class late, brother. Because you know
Term
the teacher will
No, sir,
teach.
situation beyond my control today.
All right. So Miss soon you turn to it. You stay right there, sir. No move yet. We soon come to you. Everybody finishing now. So is Britley correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Britley is correct. Is there anybody in the class that is disagreeing with what Britley has?
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, she
All
right.
right. Okay.
Sir, question.
All right. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. All right. So you know what I think I'm going to start teaching this topic this way because I'm kind of, I don't want to use the word surprise because I expect you guys to get it when I teach it, but I'm pleasantly surprised that you guys have gotten this so far so quickly. Very good. Go ahead with your question for me, please.
Sir, me get the number them, you know. Me get all for work out the number them, right? But you know where I beat me bad? The powers.
The powers can
Like,
beat you, man.
all right, listen to me now, sir. So,
Don't rush me.
me get, yeah, that's sir. Sorry, sir, wait there. So, me get all, me get the 15. Me get the powers for the 15. But the 20, me not sure if me get that part there.
So stop. What do you know about the powers?
When one go up, one goes down.
Yeah, and what do you know about the overall powers?
What you mean, sir?
Somebody tell her for me.
So it must add up back to be the power they start off with.
Very good. So remember the original power there is 6. So very nice.
Okay.
So the sum of all the powers supposed to be 6. So 6 just so boom. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 0 plus 6, 6. So if when you do that and you don't add up to get back the overall power, boom, we start off with sitting wrong.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sir,
man. Yes, please.
sorry, I know what I want get a little clearer on. You see the Pascal triangle? Or you start with the 1, so I know you just say A plus B raised to the
0 power.
power.
Yeah.
That's how you get the first one up there, so.
Right.
Because the box triangle is how you combine the 6, the 15, and the 20, those numbers right there. So, right, sir?
Yeah, yes, I.
So
So
they could have explained that one more time.
A plus B raised to the first power, and you say equal A plus B. This is where you get the A, you get 1 over here, so, and then the B, the coefficient is 1 for both of them. That's where you get the 1, 1.
Yes, I.
Okay, and then you say A plus B square. You work out that.
A plus B all squared, not A plus B squared. A plus B squared is something different. Say A plus B all squared.
A plus B all square. Sorry, this is my last.
Continue. No, you can't last. It's right there. So A plus B all squared. What you said a while ago was A plus B squared. That's different. It's going to be A plus B all squared. And A plus B all squared, when you expand it, you're going to get A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. And what we're doing is just looking at the coefficients. So we're looking at the coefficients. So it's going to be 1, 2, 1. See it here? 1, 2, 1. Yeah. And then now when you do the expansion of A plus B to the third power, we're going to end up with 1, 3, 3, 1. See it here? 1, 3, 3, 1. So it is a coefficient from the binomial that Mr. Pascal now decides that, yo, I'm seeing a pattern. So he calculated A plus B to the 0, then A plus B to the first power, then A plus B to the second power, then A plus B to the third power. And so, hold on there. But I'm seeing a pattern right here. So how me end up getting the 1, 3, 3, 1? And then now him say, boy, when I add this plus this, you get 4. I add this plus this, you get 6. And this plus this, you get 4. He say, but hold on. Something not right. And I'm saying, you know what? Let me try this and do this and say 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 based on the studying of the patterns. And when he studied the patterns, him say, no, I'm going to do the expansion of this one. I'm do the expansion and say, but no, whoa, that and that are the same thing. And then the man say, no, what? We're going to try the 6th one and see if it work out. And the man tried the 6th one and he say, you know what? I saw the rule go. You understand? And this is one of the things that we do. We try something one time, we try something the second time, and if it continues to work and there's a pattern, and we can develop the pattern, then it becomes a law. You see the indices business, why you have the laws of indices? Because people back then in the days were working questions and recognize, say, watch it. A squared times A to the first, then we're going to get A to the third. And how them know? Because this is going to be A squared is 8 times A, times one more A, then we're going to have A1, A2, A3, then we're going to get A to the third. Come on, a pen. Sure. Then we're going to end up with A to the third. So this is how them know. So now, yo, when we're multiplying and the bases are the same, I'm seeing the pattern. We're going to add them. So these are things that become law. These are things that become law in mathematics, or laws in mathematics, right? Because you do something one time, you do it a second time, you do it a third time, and then it's the same thing over and over and over and over again. You say, yo, I want to law this, because this makes sense. I'm seeing this happening too often for it not to be true all the time. Questions? Any question?
Okay, sir.
All right. So students, the truth is, this is not difficult. It's not difficult. You just need to see the observation and practice. I'm going to give you,
Sir,
I mean,
I
go
think this
ahead,
is the
please.
easy one.
Yeah,
Out
man,
of
this is easy.
everything here.
Yeah, man, this is not bad. This is really not bad.
Everything is hard.
Yeah, man, it's not bad. But I'm going to give you one that I want you to hear me out. Hear me out. You guys are sensible students. Duh, you're Mr. Shan students. I believe in you. I don't want I don't want when I give you a question, you go here, sir, me can't do this, or sir, me no want you use those languages in my class. You're gonna try. You're all trying students. I'm gonna give you a challenge question. I want you to look at the patterns, the same way we worked out the A plus B to the fourth, A plus B to the fifth, and A plus B to the sixth. I want you to use the same methodology to expand. Anybody who do this and get this right, you're on the way in passing the pre-calculus. Expand 2x plus 3y raised to the third power. 2x plus 3y raised to the third power. Hear what I'm saying to you. You're going to treat 2x as if it were simply a, and you're going to treat 3y as if it was b. So you're going to treat this as it's just a plus b to the third power. So don't worry about it. So your a is going to be your 2x, and your b is going to be your 3y. So I want you to do this expansion for me. Don't tell me say you can't do it. And I don't want anybody to write out 2x plus 3y times 2x plus 3y times 2x plus 3y. No, that's illegal. I don't want that. This is big school. We don't do this in big school. That's little school. I
Sir,
want you, go ahead.
so if we start from, like how we have A plus B raised to the 0 power, if we start this from that?
No, you're going to start this just like when you do the a plus b to the 6. We'll call this 1, and then you have to something to the 6th power and so forth and so on. The same way you did the a plus b to the 4th, the a plus b to the 5th, and the a plus b to the 6th. I want you to give an attempt of this one, please. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Are you understanding what to do?
No, no, sir, what me gonna do it?
Okay, give an attempt. Give an attempt.
Sir.
Yeah.
So we can ask you a question.
Sure,
So
go right
where
ahead.
I go get the Pascal triangle from?
What do you mean? What kind of question that?
Sir, just answer and don't do that.
No, man, no, man, no. Me just ask you why where you get the Pascal triangle from?
Yes, sir.
See, try this out.
Just use the same one up there, sir. Not forget a new one.
Listen to me now, lady. If I take away dinner, see you don't eat nothing more.
I have no dinner.
No, man, the same Pascal triangle, man. Pascal triangle, nah change. I eat that. You follow me?
Okay.
Yeah, man, trust me. Matter of fact, it's when you go in an exam, you to the side of your test paper can just generate your own Pascal's triangle. You know how to get Pascal's triangle now. So you can generate your own Pascal's triangle on the exam paper. I know we put nobody say, now we get this on the formula sheet. Matter of fact, you don't get a formula sheet.
Okay, sir. And the numbers will always remain the same, like how it stays so now?
Pascals, it not change. Where you see right there so on the screen, I swear to stay until thine kingdom come.
Sir, me can answer one more question.
Yeah.
Sir, like how
You
you raised to the third power, so we'd use the third expression for work this though?
very good.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Good job. Good job.
Sir, ready?
Born ready. Everybody finish?
No, sir.
2 more minutes. 2 more minutes in for 6:50. 2 more minutes.
Sir, I tried, but I couldn't get it the big school way.
Ha 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 ha. All right, no problem. Okay. I am gonna write. And you tell me if you agree with what it is that I'm writing.
Yes.
I'm finished writing. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, that is correct.
Very nice. Students, I'm excited because it sounds like I can get some distinction, some A's in the classes here. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's not done yet though. We need to do some evaluation. So, but this step is a first step in evaluating 2x plus 3y to the third power. Watch me in 5 minutes.
You have to
Go
go to
ahead.
local school. You have to go to the local school for that 1 year. I am so sorry. For some reason, I'm not following.
All right. Let me tell you why I don't want to go to liquor school. Because in the exam, they can ask you to boom bam to the fifth power. No, I don't expect you to sit down and write out something to the fifth power in the exam. Because they would expect you to do, okay. All right.
Sir, you think I can make arrangement for we get the extra class there?
Yeah, man. As I told you, what happened the last time around, but sure. And then last something was a weekend something, and I couldn't do anything on the weekend because I gave my weekend to my business calculus students. Matter of fact, I have a class with them at 7 o'clock. They have their exam, their final exam tomorrow. So I met with them Friday. Saturday, Sunday. I told them yesterday, Monday, after them study time. I had a class with them 5 o'clock this morning, and I'm going to meet them for the last 3 hours and then them do them exam. Watch me, all of you. Very nice, DD. Watch me. It's all of them little school maths there. I want you to break out of the habit of it now, because you have to put your mind to understanding how this is done for the big school math. Because when you're doing this thing here, it's big school. I'm expecting it to move to big school. Watch me. Let's go. Ouch. 2x plus 3y cube is going to be 2x to the third power. And it's going to be 1 times 2x to the third. We know the coefficient for 3 to be 1, 3, 3, 1. See here? 1, 3, 3, 1. So we need to put the coefficients. Because remember, Pascal's give you the coefficients. All of up here so are coefficients. COEFFICIENTS. All of those are coefficients. Every one of these things are coefficients. Every one of them. So what we're doing now is looking at one ascending, one descending. So the 2x plus 2x is going to raise to the third power. See it right here. So, and that is going to be the coefficient 1 times all of that. Plus, the second coefficient is going to be 3, but this 2x to the third is going to be reduced by 1. See it here? 2x to the second. But the sum of the overall power is supposed to be equal to 3. So this y now has to be raised to 3y to the first. See it here? So 3y to the first. You finish with the second term. The third term, the coefficient is 3. How you know, sir? 1, 3, 3, 1. So I write down that coefficient 3. This term is 2x to the second. That means the other term is going to be 2x to the first. See it right here, so. And if this is 2x to the first, that means the other term b is supposed to raise to the second power, because the sum of the overall power is supposed to be equal to 3. See it right there, so. And then 1, 3, 3, 1. See the 1 right here, so. You're reducing this power by 1, 2x to the 0, 2x to the 0. And then you're increasing this by 1, 3y to the third, 3y to the third power. Pause in. Are you seeing that?
No, but okay.
No, you can't tell me no, but it's okay. That don't make no sense.
Sir, I don't get it.
What don't you get? Tell me what you're not seeing.
Sir, when you write the expression for us to see, or the terms for us to see, you can rub out that and do it with the same 1331 and just say it while you're doing it, so we can see it better for those who using phone, because we can't see the green thing where you just put on the board the thing. I cannot really see that way, I say, sir.
I mean, I understand we are talking about Selena, but I can erase this and go back again.
Yes, sir, and do it with the 1331.
But that's what I did the first time. So let's go to 1, 2x to the third power. Are you seeing that?
Yes, sir.
Plus, yes, sir. 3, 2x to the how much power?
To the third,
to the second power.
To the second power, and then because the overall power is supposed to be equal to 3, that means my b, which is 3y, is supposed to be raised to the how much power? To the first power. Very good. Then after that, now which
Hold on, where you get 2x from? 2x to the second power from?
see it right
Again.
here, so see the 2x here, no, that's a, and see the b here, so 3y. And then I have to put it to
So,
mm-hmm.
so I don't know, because maybe I'm not understanding, because I thought so I'll get where I know where I see where we get the 2x to the third power. But then I thought after that it would have be but I don't know, 2x 3y something.
Okay.
But I don't know how we get to the second power.
Because I'm using, so you can see up here where I'm using the 1-3-3-1 from the Pascal triangle.
This is a 3 by to the 0 power right there, sir. But I didn't have to write that. And then now I'm going to have 3, 2x to the first power. Oh, crap. I didn't create the Zoom link. 2x to the first power. I mean, to the second power. 3y to the first power. Then the other term. Are you following? If you answer me, I can't know.
Sir, and then you're going to use the next 3 now.
I'm going to use the next 3 now.
Following.
And then what I'm going right now? 2x to the how much power?
2x to the first power.
To the first power. And then 3y to the?
Second
To the second power.
Good job. And then I'm going to write what coefficient now?
1.
1 to the how much? 2x.
0 power.
And 3y to the?
Third power.
Simple. Done. Finito. That first time is finished.
Okay, sir.
All right. So this,
So sir, we never calculated.
that's what I'm saying now. So what you're going to do for homework for me, I thought I would have been able to do it, but I have another session now at 7. What I want you to do for me is to evaluate it. So what you're going to say is 1, 2x to the third power is going to be 8x cubed. And 3x to the 0 is 1. 2x to the third power. Why is it 8x cubed? Because it's going to be 2x times 2x times 2x. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. And x times x is x squared times x is x cubed. So you're going to have 8x cubed. All right? And then now you're going to do the rest. Just like that for me. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes,
Big
sir.
up in the chat. Thanks for coming out. You did well.
Sir,
Yes, please.
for the pre-calculus, the prerequisite override, what's the
Yeah,
status
this
on
is
that?
Crystal. All right. By the way, is when Mo, you got an email this morning or yesterday? Is she in class?
Of course, sir. Me there, me answer a little bit.
You
But
got an email? You got an email?
from you, sir, yes. I
You
responded since night. I responded to you.
You responded to that email. All right. So thank you for me. So Christopher asked a question because it is being sorted out. So I just ask the question so that Momo can tell you that it is being worked on. So give me until Wednesday. I can get final confirmation for you, Christoph, please.
Okay, sir.
Big up yourself. Later, guys.
Thank
you.
Night, sir. And sir, me never quiet tonight. Me try a little something.
I know. So that more I always do, you know. Sure. Big up yourself. All right, then later.